and some really smart people were on a panel with me from other banks there. There's a lot of people employed in this space because banks are really serious about this. We have to, we're told to by our regulator. We're going to have to enable our customers to hold, send and receive central bank digital currencies. Our customers want digital representation of art, of assets, of securities, of funds. It's going in this direction.
So that gentleman that you just heard speaking was a representative from Citibank, and I want to show you all something that your average influencer is not going to show you. Shout out to the CyberX research team for sharing these documents in our private CyberX chat, but let me get your brains thinking for just 1 second. So let's just take a second and look at this pyramid chart as to who controls the world, and let's pay attention to where government and politicians sit down here at the bottom of the spectrum. And let's take a look at where the bankers in the financial world sits all the way up here. So take into consideration what that gentleman from Citi just told you all, that banking institutions are for a fact interested. Now let's go over to a document from Citi titled Security Services Evolution 2023, right? And we're going to scroll down here to the bottom of the document via the conclusion. And what does it say right here? In the coming 5 years, we'll bring massive amounts of change to our industry. Settlement cycles will continue to shorten in more markets. Distributed ledger technology will be used not to experiment, but to deliver. Funding mechanisms will evolve into digital cash, and core banking systems across the industry will be removed and replaced. Do you all freaking see? So the politicians, the government, and the mainstream media are trying to distract you all right now. And the bankers who sit at the top of the totem pole or near the top are the ones telling you to your freaking face. I just showed you a panel discussion of a Citi representative and a document from Citi, again, a major systemically important bank, tell you that this transformation is happening. It literally even gives you a time frame within the coming 5 years. Who are you going to believe, ladies and gentlemen? Tap in, figure out where the money's going. It's not hard to find. They are open, they are transparent with individuals, and the information is there for people that want access to it. Again, shout out to the CyberX researchers for sharing these documents in our private chat.